Welcome so much, viewers. Today we are going to learn about integration by trigonometric substitution. Now, we are going to learn that by working out the integral of sine cube of x with respect to x. Now, we know that we cannot integrate this directly because we do not have the direct integral of sine cube of x with respect to x. So what we are going to do is we are going to split this into two. So we can as well write this original function as sine squared of x multiplied by sine of x, of course with respect to x. Now, again, we are going to use one of the trigonometric identities, whereby we have cos squared of x plus sine squared of x. This one equals to 1. Hope you remember this identity. Now, we are going to make as sine of squared of x the subject of this formula here. So we have sine squared of x is equal to 1 minus cos squared of x. Now wherever we have sine squared of x, we are going to write this expression here. So we have the integral of sine squared of x as 1 minus cos squared of x dx. Now then we are going to use substitution. Remember, we add this sine x, so let us not forget about it. Now again we are going to use substitution, whereby we are going to let u be cos x. Let u be cos x. Then we are going to get the derivative of cos x with respect to x. That is du dx is equal to negative sine x. Okay? So making du the subject of the formula, we have du is equal to negative sine x dx. So again, whenever we have sine x, we are going to substitute it by du. Okay? Now, so we have the integral of sine squared x, which we said was 1 minus cos squared of x. Sine x we said was sine x dx, we said was du, but we have negative sign, so we are going to write that negative. Then we have du. Then we have du. And then we said u is equal to cos x. So we are not going to write cos squared of x, but instead we are going to have u squared. So this is what we are going to integrate. We are going to integrate this function here with respect to u. So the integral of 1 with respect to u is u minus the integral of u squared with respect to u, we have u cubed over 3. Okay? Plus, I said always remember to include the c. C here is the constant of integration. So we have plus c. But remember, we cannot leave this at this stage here, because we said u represented cos of x. So we are going back to this and say u is our cos x. So cos x minus u cubed. So we have cos cubed of x all over 3 plus c. C is the constant of integration. So viewers, this is the integral of sine cubed of x with respect to x using the trigonometric substitution method. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed, kindly I ask that you may subscribe and give it a like. Thank you so much for watching.